Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to change your Facebook location settings. There are two different ways of doing this, but let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do is to open up the Facebook app. Once you have done this, you want to click on the three lines in the bottom right corner. And from here, you can either click on the gear icon in the top right here, or you can scroll down until you see settings and privacy. You want to click that and then click settings. It'll take you to the exact same page. So once you're here, you want to scroll down all the way down to permissions. Once you're here, you want to click location. And then as you can see, I'm using while using right now. You want to change that. All you need to do is go to device settings, click iOS settings. Then from here, you need to click location again. And then you can either choose never, ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. I just like to use this because it doesn't use that much data. And another way to get this page is just to scroll down till you see privacy. You want to click on privacy. Then you want to click on location services. You want to scroll all the way down until you see Facebook. Click it, and it takes you to the exact same page. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It helps with the channel a lot, and I will see you